Hi students, today we are going to discuss about some of the important theoretical aspects of cost accounting. The first main topic is difference between cost accounting and financial accounting. Financial accounting is prepared to find out the financial position of the concern, whereas cost accounting is prepared to provide information regarding cost. Under Companies Act and Income Tax Act, it is compulsory to prepare financial accounting, whereas cost accounting it is not compulsory. It depends upon the internal requirement of the concern. In financial accounting, transactions are classified based on subjective manner, which means the nature of expenses, whereas cost accounting classify transaction based on objective manner, which means the purpose for which it is created. Financial accounting prepared annually, whereas cost accounting it depends upon the internal requirement, so it may be submitted even daily, weekly, or even annually. Financial accounting emphasize on recording of transactions, whereas cost accounting emphasize on cost ascertainment and cost control. The next difference is between cost accounting and management accounting. Management accounting is prepared to provide information to the management to take decisions and to formulate the business policies, whereas cost accounting is prepared to provide information regarding cost control and cost reduction. Management accounting is developed out of cost accounting, whereas cost accounting is developed out of financial accounting. Cost accounting uses only costing techniques, whereas management accounting uses both cost and non-cost techniques. Cost accounting uses budgets and standard costing techniques to select the favorable variances, whereas management accounting not only helps in selecting the favorable variances but also deletion of unfavorable variances. Thank you.